Ron Poliquin, DoverLawOffice.com. This is Ron Poliquin's top 5 tips before getting a divorce. 1. Get an attorney and get a plan before telling your spouse you're going to get a divorce. Consult with an attorney prior to your divorce before the chaos begins. The person you marry may be vastly different than the person you divorce. Number 2, get organized. Get your financial paperwork together. Bank statements, tax forms, W-2s, pay stubs, 401ks, mortgage information, car payments, anything having to do with the marital finances. Okay? In every marriage, there's usually somebody that is in charge of the finances and there's somebody that's not in charge of the finances. Now, if you're not in charge of the finances, make sure you have access and can get that information before you tell your spouse you're going to get a divorce, because the chances of you getting that information readily afterwards is going to be slim, especially if your spouse is angry at you. 3, don't come to some kind of agreement without knowing your rights. It's good to be civil. It's good to compromise. It's not good to make rash, uninformed decisions in a hyper-emotional state. There are people that come to me all the time that say, I just want to get this over with. I just want to get this over with. Well, that might be fine now, but what about 2 years down the road when you don't have your finances in order, when you're not able to pay your bills? What happens then? So first, know what you and your spouse know what you're entitled to through the advice of an attorney, then work on compromise that'll work for both of you. Number 4, there's no winners in a divorce, okay? It usually doesn't matter whose fault it is. It doesn't matter whose actions caused divorce. It doesn't matter who cheated on who or who was bad towards who. That's not going to really make a difference in getting a divorce and going through property division. Get over it. The way the law is, it doesn't matter whose fault it was or if you think your husband or your wife were the cause of the divorce. Number 5. I'm your attorney, not a therapist. Get an emotional support group together. A network could be friends, could be a priest, could be a therapist. Divorce is a super stressful time in your life. Could be one of the most stressful times in your life. Do not underestimate how this divorce is going to impact your life. Attorneys are not equipped to handle that. So you're going to need to get that support system from another venue. 6, if you're in an abusive relationship, all bets are off. Get protection right away. Call the police, get a PFA. As an attorney, what I can do, if you're interested in making your spouse pay or dragging your husband, your wife through hell, call another attorney. If you want someone who will stand up for you, help you resolve matters fairly so you can move on with your life, I can do that. But make sure you get an attorney, make sure you get counsel. This is Ron Poliquin, DoverLawOffice.com.